trying some of the most unique dumplings in Dhaka, like a green curry dumpling, a red curry dumpling, a creamy cheesy dumpling, or a spicy ramen. Dumpling Hut has some of the best dumplings in Dhaka. Today we are trying their new menu, starting with some refreshing mocktails. We absolutely love the mango iced tea, but ওদের নতুন dumplings একদম miss করা যাবে না, starting with the chicken basil dim sum, which is stuffed with chicken basil filling and pairs really well with their chili oil. But ওদের peanut ginger dumpling টা এত বেশি মজা, ওদের soupy peanut dumpling টা has been my constant favorite for 3 years, but this tops that even. Peanut and ginger combination is just too good. This corn cheese dumpling could have been a hit, but bhitore feeling টা is not as creamy as I wanted. But they really outdid themselves with this green curry dumpling. I could never know যেরকম Thai flavored dumpling এত মজা হবে because it was that good. But the red curry dumplings could have been a little bit more tangy and flavorful. And if you guys love creamy pastas, this one is just that in a dumpling form. I have to say that they're very unique and creative. The spicy chicken ramen was also very loaded and flavorful. So, আমার মতো dumpling lover যদি কেউ থাকে, tag them and let them know what they are missing out on.